Hair loss. It's one of those challenges most people hope to avoid, but for many, it becomes an inevitable reality. Whether due to genetics, lifestyle choices, or health conditions, hair loss can be a frustrating and emotional experience. The good news? Science has made significant strides in understanding the causes of hair loss and developing effective ways to address it. In today's discussion, we'll explore 10 proven methods to combat hair loss, ranging from natural remedies and lifestyle changes to cutting-edge medical treatments. Whether you're just noticing some thinning or looking for advanced solutions, there's something here for everyone. Let's dive in. Number 1 is scalp care. Healthy hair starts with a healthy scalp. Neglecting your scalp can lead to clogged follicles, inflammation, and weakened hair growth, setting the stage for hair loss. Regularly cleaning your scalp with gentle, sulfate-free shampoos ensures a clean environment for growth, while avoiding harsh chemicals that can cause dryness. Look for shampoos containing ketoconazole. Known for its antifungal properties, it reduces dandruff and inflammation, both of which can contribute to hair loss. Salicylic acid helps exfoliate the scalp, removing buildup that can block hair follicles. For an extra boost, consider adding scalp massages to your routine. A study published in the Dermatology and Therapy Journal revealed that massaging the scalp for just 4 minutes daily can increase hair thickness by improving blood flow and stimulating follicles. Use a nourishing oil like coconut or jojoba oil during your massage for added hydration. Your diet is one of the most important factors influencing hair health. Hair is made of keratin, a protein, so ensuring your body has the necessary building blocks is essential. Key nutrients for hair growth include protein, found in eggs, chicken, fish, and plant-based options like lentils and tofu. Biotin, vitamin B7, supports keratin production. Sources include nuts, seeds, and avocados. Iron, a deficiency can lead to brittle, thinning hair. Boost your intake with spinach, red meat, or fortified cereals. Zinc, strengthens hair and supports scalp health. Pumpkin seeds and shellfish are excellent sources. Omega-3 fatty acids. These combat inflammation and promote a healthy scalp. Fatty fish like salmon and plant-based sources like flax seeds are ideal. If you're struggling to meet your nutritional needs through diet alone, consider supplements like biotin or zinc, but always consult a healthcare professional to avoid overdosing. Number 3 is probably the most well-known, and that is minoxidil. Minoxidil, commonly known as the active ingredient in products like Rogaine, is a well-researched and effective treatment for hair loss. It works by increasing blood flow to the scalp, prolonging the hair's growth phase, anagen phase, and reactivating dormant follicles. Studies show that 60% of users notice visible improvement after consistent use for 4 to 6 months. While results aren't instant, persistence pays off. For best results, follow the instructions closely and use the product consistently. Keep in mind that stopping treatment may lead to hair loss resuming. Have you tried minoxidil? What were your results? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on health and hair care. Number 4 is low-level laser therapy, LLT. If you're into tech, low-level laser therapy, LLT, offers an innovative, non-invasive way to stimulate hair growth. Devices like laser combs, helmets, or caps use red light to penetrate the scalp, improving cellular energy production and reducing inflammation. Clinical studies have shown LLT to be effective in increasing hair density and reducing shedding for both men and women. While these devices can be pricey, they're painless, safe, and suitable for home use. 5. Platelet-rich plasma, PRP. PRP therapy is a cutting-edge solution that's gaining popularity for hair restoration. This procedure involves drawing a small amount of your blood, processing it to extract platelet-rich plasma, and injecting it into your scalp. Platelets contain growth factors that stimulate hair follicles and improve hair density. Research indicates that PRP can slow hair loss and promote regrowth, particularly when combined with treatments like minoxidil. While it's effective, PRP therapy requires multiple sessions and can be costly. 6. Stress management. Stress is a major contributor to hair loss. Conditions like telogen effluvium, where stress pushes hair into the shedding phase prematurely, are becoming increasingly common. Incorporating stress reduction practices like meditation helps calm the mind and reduce cortisol levels. Yoga combines physical activity with mindfulness. Sleep hygiene. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, as this is when the body repairs and regenerates. Stress management not only benefits your hair but also your overall health. 7. Avoid heat and harsh chemicals. Styling tools and chemical treatments can wreak havoc on your hair, causing damage, breakage, and even hair loss. To protect your strands, it's essential to adopt gentler practices. Minimize heat styling. High temperatures strip moisture and weaken your hair. Use heat protectant. Always apply a protective spray before styling. Lower the temperature. Stick to low heat settings and avoid daily use. Try air drying. Let your hair dry naturally or use the cool setting on your blow dryer. Reduce chemical exposure. Bleaching, coloring, and perming can weaken hair structure. Space treatments at least 6 to 8 weeks apart. Choose ammonia-free or semi-permanent options. Use deep conditioning masks to restore moisture post-treatment. Avoid tight hairstyles. Constant tension from ponytails or braids can cause traction alopecia. Wear loose styles and switch them up regularly. Use fabric-covered hair ties to prevent breakage. Adopt these habits to keep your hair healthy, strong, and full of life. What's your favorite heat-free styling tip? Share below. 8. Essential oils and natural remedies. Natural remedies may not work overnight, but they're a great way to support hair health. Popular options include rosemary oil. Clinical studies suggest it's as effective as minoxidil when applied consistently. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil and massage into your scalp. Peppermint oil, known to stimulate blood circulation and promote hair growth. Aloe vera, soothes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and creates a healthy environment for hair. While these options are great for scalp health, they work best when combined with more proven methods. 9. Hair transplants, a permanent solution. For those experiencing advanced hair loss, hair transplants offer a permanent solution. Procedures like follicular unit extraction, FUE, involve moving healthy follicles from dense areas to thinning ones. Modern techniques create natural-looking results, and the transplanted hair continues to grow like normal. However, transplants are expensive, require downtime, and are typically reserved for severe cases. Consulting a skilled professional is essential for optimal results. 10. Early intervention is key. When it comes to hair loss, timing matters. Most treatments are far more effective when started early. If you're noticing thinning or increased shedding, consult a dermatologist or trichologist as soon as possible. They can assess the root cause, whether it's hormonal, nutritional, or related to scalp health, and recommend a personalized plan. Hair loss can feel overwhelming, but today's advancements in science and technology offer hope. Whether you choose to focus on scalp care, make dietary changes, try innovative treatments, or explore permanent solutions, there's a method to suit your needs. Consistency is key. Most treatments take months to show results, so patience is essential. What's your go-to strategy for tackling hair loss? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Remember, the earlier you act, the better your chances of preserving and restoring your hair. Your hair's future might just thank you.